Hey guys, welcome to BONOSS Wheel Spaces unofficial channel. I'm Grace. If you like our videos, please give us a thumb up and make sure to subscribe. In this video, let's talk about are wheel spaces a good idea? Installing the hub-centric wheel spacers can provide higher stability. BONOSS wheel spacers have a multi-stage hub-centric design. This design allows the spacers to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage hub-centric design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS wheel spacers can also be wheel adapted with the different data, providing vehicle owners with more choice. Multi-stage hub-centric is the biggest difference between BONOSS wheel spacers and common wheel spacers. For more information, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.